Hey guys, we have another all body weight workout. Unless you want to grab a small dumbbell or small weight for single leg touchdowns and lunges. Our last circuit is squats and a run. If you can go outside and do maybe 25 yards down and back, that will be one. Or you can do stair runs, or you can do jump ropes in place, or jump rope if you have a jump rope, or fake jump ropes. All right, but we're gonna get started with our warm up. So we're gonna walk out to a lunge, reach up to the ceiling, come back down, walk back, stand tall, walk back out to that push-up position, bring that foot forward to that lunge, back knee comes down, reach up, look up to the ceiling, hands down, foot comes back, walk back in, stand tall, walk out, bring that foot to that hand, back knee down, arms up, look to the ceiling, hands down, walk it back, stand tall. One more. Reach down, walk those hands all the way out, bring that foot up, reach up, look up, hands down, walk your feet back in, stand tall. Our next one is fast kicks. So you're on your toes, feet are kicking in front like flutters. Ready, let's go. We have 30 seconds here. You're on your toes. Lean a little forward, contract that stomach a little bit more. You got it, remember, stay on those toes. Our next movement is going to be a curtsy lunge. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you're going to take one foot, reach out to the side and behind, bring it up tall. Reach back, you're going out to a diagonal, come back to center. Reach, stand tall. That back knee should touch the floor softly. We're alternating legs. We have 10 seconds left, and then we're going back to that walkout, to our lunge. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, walk all the way out to push-up position. Bring that foot to the hand, drop your back knee, reach up to the ceiling. Hands down, walk back in, stand tall, repeat to the other side. Walk all the way out, bring that foot up, reach. We're gonna do one more on each side. Walk all the way out, bring that foot up, reach to the ceiling, hold 1, 2, 3. Walk back in, stand tall, last one. And reach, 1, 2, 3. Walk back in, stand tall. All right, this time we have back kicks, fast back kicks. So you're on your toes, kicking behind you, just like we did forward. 3, 2, 1. Your toes, kick backwards. You got 30 seconds here. And then our last movement is high knees. Halfway there. Make sure you're staying on those toes, driving those heels back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High knees. Bring them up. Lean forward. Pull those knees up. You're on your toes. You got it. Keep pulling them up. This is our last one for our warm-up. We have 10 seconds left here. Keep pulling them up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest. All right. Whew. First circuit. It's 3 rounds. 12 of each movement. Except for when we go to our side plank, that's going to be 30 seconds. We're going to do both sides. So our first movement, Those high knees, they got me. Is arch ups. So we're laying on our belly, looking at the floor, straight arms, straight legs, lift them both at the same time, okay? Next one is Spider-Man push-ups. You're in push-up position, bring your foot up to your hand, do your push-up, bring it back, switch, okay? Our next one is going to be a floor bridge, but our arms are pointing up to the ceiling. So fingers point to the ceiling, lift, bring it back down, lift, okay, for 12. Then it's our side plank hold. So we're gonna go 30 seconds on one side, flip over 30 seconds on the other side. Next one is dead bogs. Knees and fingers point to the ceiling, opposite arm, opposite leg. Extends out, and make sure you're keeping those fingers and your knees pointing to the ceiling in those. Single leg touchdown, so this is where you can grab your weight if you have one, or you don't have to use a weight. Stand on one leg, reach down, stand up. We're gonna do 6 on one leg, and then switch on 6 on the other leg. Our last one is front lunges. So we're gonna do 6 on each side. You can use your weight, or you can just do body weight. So front lunges. We're gonna alternate legs here, okay? 6 on each side. Okay, so we're starting with those arch ups. We have 12, did I say 10? It's 12 of everything. Okay, ready? Look down at the floor, arms are straight, legs are tight. Straight knees, okay? You don't want to have bent knees and you're just lifting your heels, right? That's not working what you need to work. All right, we have 12, ready? Let's go, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Go up to your push-up position. Bring one foot to your hand. Do your push-up. Step back. Switch. That's 2. Switch. 3. Push-up. 4. 5. 6. Keep those shoulders over. 7. 8. Go at your own pace. 9. 10. 11. 12. Good job. Floor bridges. Fingers pointing to the ceiling. Ready? Lift. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Squeeze at the top. 1, 2, down. 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 We have 2 more. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Good job. Side plank hold. 30 seconds here. In my watch. Ready? I like to stack my feet on your elbow. Let's lift up. Hold. 30 seconds on this side, and then we'll switch to the other side for 30 seconds. Make sure your shoulder and your elbows in a straight line. Booties are tight. Over halfway there. You're really lifting up, not letting your belly or your hips sag. Okay, pull it up. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Switch to the other side. Stack your feet. Elbow should be in line with your shoulder. And hold. 30 seconds. You want to point your finger to the ceiling, hand on your hip. You can do that. Lift up that hip. We're halfway there. Hold. And squeeze. Next one after this is dead bugs. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, lay on your back. Fingers and knees point to the ceiling. Opposite arm, opposite leg. So I'm doing my right arm, my right leg. No, my right arm and my left leg, they extend out, bring it back to center. Left arm, right leg extends out, bring it back to center. When you extend out, hold 1, 2, bring it back in. Out, 1, 2, in, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We have 2 more. Knees and fingers are pointing to the ceiling. Push your lower back into the floor. All right. Next movement, single leg touchdowns. We're doing 6 on one side, 6 on the other side. If you want to wait, you can use your weight, or you're just reaching with your hand, okay? We have 6 on each side. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, stand tall. 3, 4, make sure that knee is in line with that second and third toe. And 6, switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Front lunges. If you want to use your weight, you can. Ready? Step forward. Touch your back knee softly. Switch legs. 2. I'm going to 12. 3. Foot's out in front of that knee. 5, 6. Big step. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. That completes round 1. We have 2 more rounds. Starting back at those arch ups. So let's lay on our belly. We have 12. Straight arms, straight legs. Look at the floor. Squeeze. Ready? Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. Spider-Man push-ups. Go to that plank hold. Bring that foot up. Push up. Bring it back. Switch. 2. Switch. 3. Switch. 4. Keep those shoulders in line with those wrists. 5. Booties are down. 6. 7. 8. 9. Remember, go at your own pace. 10. Keep those shoulders in line. Core is tight. 11. 12. Good job. Floor bridges. Lay on your back. Fingers point to the ceiling. We're going to lift. Hold 1, 2, 3. Come back down. Ready? Lift. 1, 2. Down. 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 Make sure you're squeezing that bottom when you lift. Right here. Down. 1, 2. Down. 1, 2. Down. 1, 2. Down. 1, 2. Down. We have 2 more. 1, 2. Down. 1, 2. Down. All right. Next one, side plank hold. We're on our elbow. 30 seconds. Ready? Stack your feet, shoulders in line with your elbow. Lift up, squeeze your bottom, lift your hip. 30 seconds here. We're holding shoulder in line with that wrist. Remember, put your hand on your hip or have your hand point to the ceiling. We're halfway there. And then we're turning to the other side. Keep lifting up that hip. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch to the other side. Stack your feet, shoulder in line with that elbow. Holding for 30. Lift up that hip. You got it. Squeeze. Halfway there, and then it's dead bugs. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. All right, lay on your back. Knees and fingers point to the ceiling. Opposite arm, opposite leg. We have 12. Ready? Extend. 1, 2, in. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Push that lower back in. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I think this is the last one. 1, 2. If not, do one more. All right, good job. Single leg touchdowns. 6 on each leg. Gain your balance. Reach down, stand up tall. 1, 2, 3. Push that knee back. 4, 5, 6. And switch. If you need to put your foot down to regain your balance, you may do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Front lunges. Alternating legs. Step forward. 2. Touch that back knee softly to the floor. 3, 4. We're going to 12. 5, 6. Push off that toe. 7, 8, 9. Chest stays up. 10, 11, 12. Good. That completes round 2. We're on to round 3. Arch ups. If you need to grab a sip of water, you may do so. Towel, whatever you need. All right. You ready? Let's go. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Spider push-ups. Shoulders in line with those wrists. Bring that foot up. Push up. 1. Switch. 2. Switch. 3. Switch. 4. Switch. 5. Booties are down. 6. 7. Shoulders over. 8. Cores are tight. 9. 10. 2 more. 11. 12. Good job. Floor bridges. Fingers point to the ceiling. Ready? Lift. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Make sure you're squeezing at the top. Down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Squeeze. Down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, 10 more. 2 more. 1, 2, down. 1, 2, down. Ooh, 10 more. I wouldn't want to do that. Side plank hold. On your elbow, feet are stacked. Ready? Lift up. Squeeze your bottom. Hands on your hip. Fingers point to the ceiling. Either one is fine. Just lift that hip up. And squeeze. We're just holding this. Holding this here. 10 more seconds and then we switch to the other side. We got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switcheroo. Stack your feet. Shoulder and elbow in line. Lift up. Squeeze. You got this. Almost halfway there. After this is dead bugs. We have 10 seconds left. Lift up that hip. Squeeze tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dead bugs. Knees, fingers, point to the ceiling. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Lift your feet off. Ready? Extend. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Push the lower back in. 1, 2. Try not to let your feet touch. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2 more. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. Whew. Single leg. Stand on one foot. Get your balance. Let's reach. 1, 2. Push your knee back. 3, 4, 5. Stand up tall. 6. Switch. Reach. Get that balance first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Squats. Lunges. Kind of the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Make sure that foot's out in front of that knee. 5, 6. Almost there. 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it. 11, 12. Awesome. Whew. Good job. Get water if you need it. All right, next circuit. You're gonna do this on your own. It's gonna be a 21, 15, 9. So you're gonna do 21 squats, air squats. Arms are out, squat all the way down. In your squats, make sure your feet are about shoulder width apart. You're pushing your bottom back like you're going to sit in a chair. Your knees should be in line with your second and third toe. Chest stays up. Okay, so push back, stand up tall. You're gonna do 21 of those. Then you're gonna run 3 times. So you're gonna go down and back, that's 1, down and back 2, down and back 3. This 3. About 25 yards, your driveway, sidewalk. If you have stairs, do stairs, up and down is 1. Or you can, if you have a jump rope, you can jump rope or fake jump ropes. So for the first round, you would do 200 jump ropes. And then second round, you would do 150. Third round would be 100, okay? So you're gonna do 21 squats, do your 3 laps. Run down and back. 3 times. Do 15 squats, do 2 runs, down and back. Do 9 squats, and then it's 1 run, down and back, okay? So 21 squats, 3 runs. 15 squats, 2 runs, 9 squats, 1 run. And then you'll stretch afterwards. So splits, bridges, or pike, your straddle. Make sure you get your shoulders in there, okay? So I'm going to leave you to do this next portion by yourself and then stretch, okay? So good luck, have fun, see you next time. Bye.